Welcome. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to enable notifications for X, you've come to the right place. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to make sure you never miss an important update or alert from X. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and head over to your settings. You'll usually find the Settings app on your home screen or in your app drawer. It's the one with the gear icon. Once you're there, scroll down until you see the option labeled Notifications. Tap on it to open the notification settings for your device. Next, look for App Notifications within the Notifications menu. This section allows you to manage notifications for specific apps on your phone. Tap on App Notifications, and you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Now, find X in that list. You can scroll through manually or use the search bar at the top of the screen if your phone offers one. It's a real time saver if you have lots of apps installed. Once you locate X, tap on it to access its notification settings. Here comes the final step. You'll see a toggle switch labeled Allow Notifications, or something similar. Simply toggle it on, and voila! Notifications for X are now enabled. If you want to customize how these notifications appear, such as whether they show up as banners or alerts, feel free to explore additional options in this menu. And that's it. You've successfully enabled notifications for X in just a few taps. From now on, you'll stay in the loop with everything happening on X without any hassle. Thanks for tuning in. If this guide helped you out, be sure to share it with others who might need a hand enabling their notifications too. Stay connected, and I'll see you next time.